I spent a few days camping at the Pacific coast, and now I'm back and able to test the pedal drive. Today is the testing of my fin drive. This is Gen 2. I have high expectation of this drive that will work, and I will find out in a moment. The good news is the drive concept works, but I also came across something very interesting. Installation of the drive was simple and easy. I aligned the wood frame to the screws on the metal frame, and then I inserted the drive. I later add a zip tie to make the assembly more stable. Then I set up the pulley system. In the future revision of the design, this pulley system will be integrated onto the frame of the pedal drive. When pedaling with the current, the pedaling was very smooth and didn't take much effort. Since I was pedaling with the current, it was difficult to judge how well the pedal drive performs. All I know was the boat was moving faster than the current. Occasionally, I have to use my pedal to steer the boat. This was a successful run, but I couldn't claim my pedal drive idea works until I have succeeded in pedaling the boat against the current. So far, the testing has been very smooth. The real test was when I pedaled against the current. Almost immediately, I came across of a failure.
Something is broken.
The zip tie holding the pulley failed. It was an easy fix. When I tried to pedal against the current, the pedaling wasn't that smooth. The right fin worked well, but the left one sometimes flipped in the opposite direction and jammed the right pedal. The left fin, by design, its hinge has better freedom of movement, and the current can easily push it to rotate in the opposite direction, which will jam the movement of the right pedal. I've never expected the strong river current would interfere with the movement of the fins. This became more apparent when I was pedaling against the current. I then parked the boat at the dock and tried to bend the fin to encourage it to rotate in the correct direction. Unfortunately, it didn't work. Since I couldn't do a smooth run against the current, I tried to pedal the boat with a single pedal, which is the right pedal. The good news is, with a single right pedal, I could move the boat against the current. I could feel the thrust to push the boat forward with a single right fin. Then the question is how to fix this problem. There are a few different approaches I can think of. The simple one will be to make the left fin similar to the right one, which doesn't move that freely. This is my updated design. The left fin will behave like the right fin. The lifting hinge will stop at a certain point and will not be rotated to the other side. I can also add a stopper to prevent the fin from moving in the wrong direction. As a conclusion, my pedal drive idea works. It was a good test because the current condition triggered a system failure, which I have not anticipated. With a single working pedal and also a relatively small pedaling surface, I was able to propel the boat against the current. I will be testing my updated design in the next few days. We'll update you the progress in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel and support me. Appreciate that. Bye bye.